In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Chrome search engine to Microsoft Bing in just a few easy steps. This is a quick setting change, but it can make a big difference if you prefer Bing for searching, image results, or just want a different default search experience in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots, also known as the menu button. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page, where you can control a lot of browser options. On the left-hand sidebar, click Search Engine. This is the section where Chrome lets you choose which search provider it uses by default in the address bar. Now look for the Change button and click it. A list of available search engines should appear. From that list, select Microsoft Bing. After you choose Bing, click Set as Default to save the change. And that's it. Chrome will now use Microsoft Bing as your default search engine. From this point forward, whenever you type a search into the address bar, Chrome will send that search through Bing instead of the previous search engine. If you want to change it back later, you can always return to the same search engine settings page and pick a different option. So there you have it. A fast and easy way to change Chrome search engine to Microsoft Bing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.